Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. A cubical die is thrown. A die, you know, right? It has 1 to 6. Find the mean and variance of x giving the number on the face that shows up. Now the question is, let's understand the question so that you don't just have to mug up what is happening. So we have a die. Whenever you roll a die, what do you get? You can either get a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Whenever you roll a die, these are the options that you get, right? So our x, what are the values of x? X can be, capital X can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you don't have to mug it up. Understand the table. So capital X can be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why? Because on the die, the numbers can be 1 to 6. Now, listen. What is the probability that number 1 will come? What is the probability that number 1 will come? There are 6 numbers. Any one of the 6 numbers can come. For 1 to come, the probability is 1 by 6. For 1 to come, the probability is 1 by 6. What is the probability that 2 will come on the die? What is the probability that 2 will come on the die? It is again 1 by 6. There are 6 possibilities, out of that 2 should come. So number 2, it's one possibility by 6 possibilities. Probability of getting a 2 is 1 by 6. Likewise, probability of getting a 3 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting a 4 on a die is 1 by 6. Getting a 5 on a die is 1 by 6. And getting a 6 on a die is also 1 by 6. This is the understanding. Now see, let S be the sample space and x be the random variable associated with x. So P of x is given by the following table. This table I just now told you guys. Capital X can be what all values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And probability of getting a 1 is 1 by 6. Getting a 2 is 1 by 6. Probability of 3 coming on our die is 1 by 6. 4 coming on our die is 1 by 6. I hope this is clear. Now you won't just have to mug up the table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 by 6. No. Understand and do things. Okay. It will make sure you remember things for a longer time instead of just mugging up. Now, by teaching this sum, I feel like I'm recollecting my old, when I was small, the snake and ladder game and Ludo, other games, other dice games. It felt nice. As you keep becoming older, like many responsibilities come, you have to earn money, you have to do something nice. So many things. Parents should be happy with you, like so many things. As so you keep when you're small, you can just play games like business, Ludo. Fine. Okay, let's come back to the question. So this is our table. Okay, this is our table. Now mean is nothing but sigma xi into probability of capital X equal to xi. Mean mu of x is nothing but this. Fine. Now what is this? Xi into p of x equal to xi. Mean is nothing but 1 into 1 by 6. Okay. See, my formula is sigma I runs from 1 to 6 xi into probability that x is xi. This might look complicated, but it is actually simple. The element into its probability. Like on the die 1 can come. 1 into probability that 1 will come is 1 by 6. So 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 plus 4 into 1 by 6 plus 5 into 1 by 6 plus 6 into 1 by 6. That's it. Okay, since sigma is there, we are adding them up. Okay, xi into p of x is 1 into 1 by 6 and then plus sigma is there, so plus 2 into 1 by 6. So that's what our mean is, 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1. Fine, understand the formula and then apply it instead of just remembering things. Now if you will take 1 by 6 common from all of this, so 1 by 6 if you will take on 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21. So 1 by 6 into 21. 3 2s are 3 7s are, so the mean is 7 by 2. They asked just two things, mean and variance. Now the formula for variance is this. Formula for variance is this actually I runs from 1 to 6. sorry for the mistake. This is actually sigma i runs from 1 to 6 because our capital Xi can be 1 to 6. So that's why here I can be 1 to 6 sort of. That's how it was there in the textbook. So variance is nothing but sigma Xi square into P of X equal to Xi minus mu square. Mu we already got. This is mu. This is mu. Mu is 7 by 2. Now what we need to find out is this sigma I runs from 1 to 6 Xi square into P of X equal to Xi. Now how to get it? Very simple. Xi square into P of, that means element square into its probability. That means what are the values for our capital X? So capital X can be 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So sigma, my formula is sigma I runs from 1 to 6 Xi square into P of X equal to Xi. Now what does it mean is basically I'd get Xi square. These are my Xi's, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 square into 1 by 6 plus sigma is there, plus 2 square into 1 by 6 plus 3 square into 1 by 6 plus 4 square into 1 by 6, 5 square into 1 by 6. So this is what you would get, like 1 square into 1 by 6 plus this is a term, next plus 2 square into 1 by 6. Like this it goes on 6 square into 1 by 6. Okay, sorry for that. So that is what is variance. I minus mu square is also there. So 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6, 3 square into 1 by 6. So the element square into its probability, right? I just called xi as element, like xi square into its probability. Probability that the probability of that xi, okay, that number coming on our die. Now 1 square into 1 by 6. Now 1 by 6 you can take common in the 6 terms. So 1 by 6 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square. Minus 7 by 2 whole square is nothing but 7 square by 2. 7 square by 2 square. Fine. Now just squares you can expand 1 plus 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So let's add up. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 16 is 30, 30 plus 25 is 55, 55 plus 36 is 91. So 91 by 6 minus 49 by 4. This is what we have. Now here I have 91 by 6 and 49 by 4. For these two, 6 and 4, the LCM is 12. So let's try to make the denominator 12 for both. So for in the first number you can multiply and divide by 2. Okay, into 2 into 2. For the next number you can do into 3 into 3. So if you'll do this, this is what you'll get. 91 2s are 182 by 12 minus 1. 49 3s are 147 by 12. Now you see both of them have the same denominator. Now all you have to do is 182 minus 147 by 12, and this is nothing but 35 by 12. This is the variance of x. That's it. This is what they had given us in the textbook, and this was an example question actually. I just added a little steps for calculation so that it would be easy for you to understand how the calculation went. You can refer to the textbook. This is an example sum from there. Hope you guys understood it, not just muck things up, but not just remember things, but understand. In the beginning I told, right, why, how we got the table, and also the mean, how it came, and then the variance, the formulas I just told. Explanation maybe later I'll try to give you guys how the formulas have come, if possible, something like that. Fine. So thank you.